with Javon.
It should do it again.
Do it again. Come on, man. Come on.
Dang,
Can we focus
you
on?
always doing something.
Can we focus on?
Come on, let's do it.
What's good, big gang? It's with Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And welcome back to another Real Love for.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Okay, anyways. Hold on, I forgot one thing. Make sure y'all go shop Majestic Melanie hair. As y'all can see by the title of this video, the thumbnail, and what we have on this table here, we're going to be doing the Truth or Drink challenge video. I know this video has been done and a whole bunch of people has done it or whatever, but we wanted to do it. We've been having this for what? How long? A month? Two?
Since last year?
We've been having this since last year, guys. Because we were gonna do it, but something came up and we didn't get a chance to do it. But
What?
What? Don't point at me.
I wasn't pointing.
Y'all, I was having a hair situation. I was having a hair meltdown, however.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap right now.
And Javon had all four of his wisdom tooth pulled. So literally after that hair crisis, he got his wisdom tooth pulled and we could not do the challenge.
Oh,
he got all four of them, y'all. All four.
We ain't gonna dive into that what happened. Yeah.
So
all I'm gonna
guys.
say is, I don't recommend you getting all four of your teeth pulled at the same time because it might be the worst day of your life. The worst, yeah. Anyways, as you guys see on the table, and some of the time we're gonna be doing the truth and what she said earlier.
What?
So as you guys see, we got a bowl right here. You know, we don't have nobody to ask us questions, so we got to do everything ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Time to wait on nobody, so you got to do everything yourself. So we got what? 5 to 10 questions. I'm not sure how many.
I did like 10.
10 questions here. Yeah. I don't know the questions. You know, I didn't write them down. I know the questions here. So y'all know it's written, man. This video has been going around for the past 4 to 5 months. It's never too late to be successful. So I know we're late. I know people gonna say we're late. It's never too late. It's never too late.
It's never too late.
Let me try again. It's never too late to be successful.
Okay, there you go.
There we go. So, as you guys can see, we got two, I know them drinks that come. I never drink it before. She picked them.
He got New Amsterdam apple. I've never tried Amsterdam apple. I've always tried the pineapple, I believe. And I think I tried pink lemonade before. But I've never tried apple.
Somebody been drinking them though.
Somebody been drinking it. Y'all probably drank that for Thanksgiving, then y'all.
I'm gonna count on that anymore.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say is, yeah.
Somebody like
She free the Hennessy. We need to have the Hennessy for the table.
No Hennessy. No, guys, I don't drink brown liquor. I don't know. It's just
Yeah, her and liquor is the worst thing. They're not click. You know, they don't click.
I don't drink, y'all. I don't drink alcohol.
Hey.
I don't drink, y'all. I don't drink alcohol.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap right now.
I've never honestly seen Javon drink. He probably.
I haven't been drinking years.
Yeah.
I'm
a lightweight, y'all. I'm good on a mixed drink like this size with some Ciroc or whatever, and then put me some cranberry juice. No, cran grape, and then I'm good. Sipping on that thing like.
Anyways, that guy's here for one thing and one thing only. So let's get the video started because we're not here to listen to what she got for her drink. So let's get the video started. Make sure you got like and subscribe, and now we're gonna dive right into it. And how we gonna start? Rock paper scissors. As you guys see, we got the lemonade. Cause she needs some lemonade because
I need to chase it, y'all. I really
it. So yeah.
So you got 2 shot glasses here. But are these clean?
I'm gonna clean them. What do you mean by them clean? Wash them out.
Okay, I'm just checking.
You wanna wash them out again?
No, I ain't got time for all that.
Okay, then shut up. Let's do the video and wash them out. Wait, what are you switching for?
Huh? Come on. Alright guys, so we're gonna begin this video. Here we have a couple of questions.
I said that already.
I don't care.
I said that already. Why did I say that again for?
Alright, what you gonna say next?
Let's get the video started.
Okay, come on, let's start.
Let's start the video.
Go.
You go first. No, you go first.
Anyways, like I was saying, guys, we have 10 questions in this bowl. They are not specifically for him or me. These questions are for both of us. So if we pull one out of here, we both have to answer or drink.
They know that. They know that.
No, because some questions
They know that.
Y'all, I'm gonna smack him with this bowl. He get on my nerves. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically pick a question out of here. We're gonna read it, and both of us has to answer.
All right, ready?
Yeah. No, we do no rock paper scissors. I go first.
You go first. All right,
I go first. Because the question are for both of us. All right, question number 1, guys. See, we can never agree on anything. Question number 1. Have you ever lied to your partner?
So how this work? If you answer, get
now he want to know how it works.
So may I ask that question? How it work?
Now you want to know.
You never explained that. You have
I was going to.
You know, no, you wasn't.
Yes.
No, you wasn't. Alright, explain it now. You don't take 5 seconds.
Shut up. Shut up.
5 seconds.
Shut up. Guys, we have 10 questions in this book.
To me, not to them.
Shut
them
up.
know.
I'm explaining.
Jesus.
Y'all,
why you go back to question in this for? We just go search to find it. Can we start the video in peace? Alright, work now. Say if you don't answer, if you drink. If you answer, you don't want to drink, right? Right? But you think about a different question. Watch out.
What's the most public place you've had sex?
No, what question me because the first time?
Javon, you finna annoy me for real. Give me my shit. Ungrateful ass niggas. Where's that question?
Alright, no, let's pick one.
No, too late. I'm finna go find it.
Yeah, I read the whole thing then?
Too late. I'm not reading all of them. I'm glancing at them.
Come on, who they do anything that come back for?
First question, guys. That ain't it.
No, pick that, do that. Jesus name.
Okay, cool.
Jesus.
Okay.
We find it, but let's read it. Let's read it.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna pick a question out of the bowl now. So go ahead, Javon.
Alright, me go first. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Have you ever faked an orgasm? Have you ever?
Said that word right.
What do you mean? I said that word right. So let me say the word right.
Said organism.
When me say that? Me just say it right. We're not gonna put no more.
No, he said that earlier.
Earlier, nobody never know that. Nobody never know that. Answer that question. Have you ever faked an orgasm?
Are you okay?
I'm gonna elaborate that question for me, please.
Okay.
A school challenge quiz this. Elaborate the question. We are talking.
The first question, have you ever faked an orgasm? Basically, it's saying like while we're having sex with and you just like kind of like like that.
Yeah.
But it don't feel good.
And
you just kind of fake this for my pleasure. Have you ever done it? So if you
okay, let me answer on that. Go on.
If you don't want to answer it, you drink. If you do want to answer, you just answer it. You don't take a drink.
I never figured that out before.
Okay.
I forgot. I walk out the guts. Alright, go on. You answer your question now, man?
Okay, have you ever faked an orgasm?
Open that because.
Nah, I'm just like, yeah, I never faked an orgasm.
Oh, I was about to say. I was like, wait.
He's about to get butthurt for real.
Wait.
Okay, I never faked an orgasm, y'all. If your body count is 2 or more, drink.
What are you going for? I feel like you did that question and perfectly for me. Like, what are you looking for?
Is your body count 2 or more?
Body count.
Who closed this?
We might will close it.
Open it. This shit hard. Okay. It said if your body count is 2 or more, drink. Babe, how many people you? How many bodies you got?
I got one body.
Who?
My body right here.
Bruh.
What?
How many body counts you had? Meaning how many people you done been with?
I've been with.
You got.
I'm been with.
How many people have you been with sexually?
Like been with or walk
been
out,
with sexually.
Or walk out the guts.
How many people have you been with
walk
sexually?
Out the guts?
It's the same thing.
No more. I said walk out the guts. Say walk out the guts.
Walk out the guts. God damn it.
Alright, you said 2 or more?
Yes. If your body count is 2 or more, drink. It smells good. It smells like mangoes.
They never asked if it's 2 or more. They never asked if it smells good. I guess we just drink. No. We're not going to say how much it is, right?
Huh?
We're not going to say how much it is.
No.
Okay.
You want to say how much it is?
No. Wait. Wait. If you're right, they don't drink, right?
It said if your body count is 2 or more drinks. So I mean, if you have more than 2 partners.
So why you set us up like that for? You basically set us up for drink.
But I pulled these questions out of somewhere.
So why you just set up? Jesus.
Alright. Damn.
No, why you set us up so far? Why you set us up so far?
It's your turn. Oh, that kind of tastes like Starburst.
What?
What?
Yeah, I'm not read that. You read that. I'm not read that.
It said.
I'm not read that. I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that.
Ooh.
I'm not reading that.
It said, would you lick your partner's booty? Wait, would you lick my booty?
Next question.
Wait, would you lick my booty?
No, hell no. Next question. Next question. Next question. Come on.
No, I would not lick his booty. He might do mine.
Stop playing me. Stop playing me. That's what I'm saying.
And next question, guys. Next question. The next one says, what's one thing you hate about your partner? What's one thing you hate about me?
You can't think too? I think you have to think you're looking at me them for. That's one thing you hate about your partner.
Okay, one thing I hate about Javon is he don't like going nowhere. Period.
True. Fact.
He don't like going nowhere. I invite him places.
Fact.
He'd be like, oh, maybe, and then the day up, he'd be like, nah.
Fact.
Nah.
That's facts. I'm saying it's facts.
That's alright, because we're going to break out of that. Oh, y'all, I'm already feeling in my head a little bit.
Oh, what's one thing I hate about you? Let's see. Oh, she can't cook.
I can cook.
She can't cook.
Yes, I can.
We're not gonna talk about that.
Yes, we is going to talk about that. I can cook.
Cook where you can cook?
I can cook fried chicken. I can make shrimp. I can make chicken. I said chicken, right? I can make fish. I can make rice in a rice cooker. But I can't cook. You said that like I just can't cook anything. What? You care to justify?
You can't cook them by yourself?
What?
Them
what?
What did you just say?
Yes, I can cook them by myself. I've cooked them by myself before.
You don't nobody in the kitchen?
Yes.
When?
I just cook here with you in the kitchen because I don't want to be in someone else's kitchen by myself.
They can't cook Jamaican food though.
Because it's Jamaican food. I'm American.
You have to learn.
Even American people.
Me can't cook American food.
Because our food is
Me can't cook
basically...
American food.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Okay.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
I want you to make smothered chicken, cornbread, greens. I want him to make all that. A good southern meal. I want you to make that. No recipe, nothing.
No recipe?
Don't look up nothing.
I have to look up something.
You can look up how it look.
But I have to look how you cook it. That's like if I have to look how you cook it. Right? Thank you. Alright.
Saying I can't cook. Nigga, I cook. God damn. Pick a question.
That's your turn.
No, it's your turn.
Oh. What's one secret your partner doesn't know about you? What's one secret your partner doesn't know about you? That one they make a drink for that one next minute.
What's the secret you don't
Some secret you have to just keep to yourself, you know what I mean?
What that mean?
What do you mean? You mean what it mean? Why you drink? Why you drinking? No man, you filled up to the cup. Where you do? That have to go way up to the cup.
Man, I'm feeling
That have to go way up to the cup, way up to the top.
I can't even pull.
Alright, answer the question. Answer the question. What secret you got though? Yeah, you ain't no money.
I don't know how to take a shot. I drink in like 2 gulps. Let me see how you drink a shot. How you do that?
Huh?
You an alcoholic. I knew
I'm not
it.
no alcoholic, bro. What you talking about?
You a drink. Let me see. How you do it like that?
How me do this? How I do it?
I can't do that.
Girl, you just don't drink the thing. Where do? Anyways, what's...
Woo! Oh, got it. Oh, man.
We're chilling over here. We're chilling over here.
We just had a Starburst, but you gotta try that.
I'm good. You want me to be drunk? Answer that question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question.
Next question. Got my damn throat burn. Have you ever imagined someone else while having sex?
Yeah.
Who?
Huh?
Who?
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 You never said when. You never said who.
I said who? Have you ever imagined someone else?
You never said with who may have sex with. You never said when. So yeah. What?
Of course, with me, the questions are for me and you.
No, man, you have to say it.
No, I just said in the beginning the questions are for me and you.
No, man, you have to say it with you. You can't.
I said that in the beginning.
It rich stink like.
No, it don't.
Alright, you said with you? I can't remember.
Damn, that kind of burned my throat.
No?
No?
Mm-mm.
Okay, my question's no too. I mean, my answer's no.
No, I can't remember. If I did, I can't remember, so no.
Okay.
Alright, next question.
Ooh, y'all, I'm feeling it.
You feeling what?
Ooh, feel loose.
Well, why this question look so long? What's the most dirtiest thing you have done in your parents' house? Question that too personal. Who come with this question? I think guess set us up enough.
The internet came up with them.
I think guess set us up enough. I think guess set us up if we just get drunk on the camera to the door.
Yeah, I want us to get drunk, filthy drunk. I can't take this shot though, for real. I feel.
Answer that question then.
I feel like.
You said the most dirtiest thing.
What's the most dirtiest thing you did in your parents' house? Man, we can't say that. Mama
I ain't cooking that.
Mama ain't gonna fuck this up.
I ain't tripping, bro. I don't know what food. Bro, I'm gonna cook some goblet, man, because
What?
drink.
No, I'm gonna see you do it first.
Why you wanna see all me do? Just drink the thing.
Cause I'm trying to see how you drink.
Excuse me. Babe, there's a drink.
Okay, let me see. I'm thinking that you're not putting that much as I'm putting in my cup.
What?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Are you blind?
A little bit, maybe a little bit. Okay.
No, man, you're supposed to sip it, but in this case, man, I have to cut now. Just drink the thing, then when we check over where you woke up for. Yo! Do that way there.
Oh, that's better actually, kind of a little bit.
She shut us up to get drunk. That's all I can say. Shoot idea. Who come up with this? Who come up with this topic? Next question.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever cheated on your partner?
No. Where you take so long for answer for? Hey, let me go for my shit.
What?
Where you take so long for answer? Huh? Many of your brains have come up together and clicking and answer a question.
No, I have not, babe. I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it?
You feeling it? Answer a question. Let me get unfeel it today, boy. You're feeling it. Answer a question.
No, I've never cheated on him before.
Alright, next question.
But I've never cheated on you.
Alright, me believe you, but you take too long to answer. You must get a machine in here today. Man, that's you alright? You drunk? You good?
Man, no.
You cry. How
shots did I take? Oh my gosh.
Of any video though. Of any video. She said, I'm good.
Do the next question, babe.
No,
So
man.
we finish.
No, man. You're gone. She gone. We can't continue this, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, good.
Do the next question so we can finish up this challenge,
She
guys.
gone. Yo, she gone. You sure you want to continue? Get some video?
I never took a shot
You
before.
never took a shot?
No.
You just did. And welcome to reality. Let's get on. What is the What is the nicest thing you have done?
What was the last thing you done?
Man, I'm not seeing a wipe on that.
Babe, no, help me think. Hold on, help me think.
Answer that question there.
What's the nastiest thing I done?
You might go full up yourself. Answer that question this to the number G, so. Why you drunk? You take Trace and me not drunk.
Huh?
Huh?
I think it's something with this lemonade. I think it's doing a little something with the alcohol. Woo.
Got you.
I was like, my boyfriend got me young. He tried to rape me. Okay, alright. How did you do that?
Girl, if you don't drink this damn thing, you better finish up all today.
Yo, why is it so... Okay.
Ooh. She done it now, she gone. She done. She done. She gone. Boy, she done. She done it now. She done.
Oh my god.
She done. Done, she done. Answer the last question. You can read? You open this like you need like 4 glasses today.
What's the most public place you had sex? What's the most public place you had sex in?
Public? What do you mean public?
Like public.
Outside? Like outside people can see me?
Oh my fucking god!
Like outside people can see me?
Yes, babe.
We never did that before. Apart from hotel. We never did that before. See? Oh, you have to drink? Ross, you have to drink. Ha! That's tough!
Oh my gosh.
That's tough. That's tough. Where we going?
I'm trying to think of the... Babe.
Babe, what? Me can't help you. Me never play big fear do anything. I done you done it. I done you done. Shut up, ball.
I want to just nasty. Ah, babe, end it.
And we have one more question. We have one more question.
What's the babe right there?
We have one more question.
What?
Or the box for this, some can't ask the question. So we have an interview right to say, lucky. You're lucky because I feel you're lucky.
Wait, what was your last question?
No, it's video buffet.
Ooh, babe, give me up.
She's drunk, you know. She's drunk, she's drunk, she's drunk.
Okay, this one.
You good? Alright, in the video, I got a box share dick. Catch your pre now. If you got I can't take this serious. If you got into this video, man, you know, it wasn't all that, you know. If you got into this video, you gotta like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? She's not out, she's gone, she's out of there. But yeah, like and subscribe, man. We're gonna catch you guys in the next video. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are old, hey, stay connected, stay locked in, stay supporting the channel. So hey, 2021 is gonna be, you good?
Majestic Melanie collection.
2021 was gonna be here, and there's gonna be a lot of grinding. So yeah, can I make with the sitting on your youth? How you pronounce it? Majestic Melanie. Is me go shop, you know what I'm saying? New business out here, business owned by you. You know, share where you're jump so she can't explain it. So link will be in the description, you know. See what I'm saying? So yeah, if you dig, it dig. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. She pass out, you know. I done, she done.